So here's my outdoor container garden, doing very well. Somebody's proud, but somebody knows she's gonna partake in these veggies and herbs. Yeah. See, I'm gonna partake in them eventually, Mama. Anyway, this is the herb of all herbs, honey. I tell you the truth. So basically what I did was, I'm gonna get into this in a minute, but I want to tell you all what I did. So what I did was I started all of these vegetables and these herbs from Dollar Tree seeds. Dollar Tree seeds. And look at them. I mean, I started them from Dollar Tree seeds. I planted them in my home in seedling trays and allowed them to grow in my home before moving them outside into the elements. And you know, I noticed I didn't have to continuously bring them back and forth. And this year, I didn't have to do that this year, and they have really thrived in here to keep the birds away, because birds seem to find their way. They seem to find their way up on my balcony and want to poop up here. So to keep the poop away and also keep them away from partaking in my garden, I have these CDs. The reflection from the back of the CDs keeps them away. Keeps them away. Somebody taught me that, so I utilized that method last year when I had my container garden, and I'm using it this year. All right, so let's get to this plant. You know what this is? This is basil. Basil is the herb of all herbs because basil grows like wildfire. I mean, you can pluck basil, and basil will be like, baby, what you pluck me for? I just keep growing and growing and growing and growing, and I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I do need to figure out, I don't know what's going on here at the bottom. I don't know, man. I'll figure it out. I wonder if some of these are starting to pass on. That's okay. Like I said, basil is pretty sturdy. It's a pretty bout it type of herb, for real. All right, so I have kale here. It's growing. I have Swiss chard here. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's oregano or what. I don't know. This is called, you know, the plan was to label everything when they were in their seedling containers, and it didn't happen. That's what happened, and therefore I just started planting stuff and hope for the best. And once stuff grew, I just brought it on out here. But I do know this is kale. That's kale, another kale plant. I think that may be cilantro trying to grow. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's oregano. I don't know. I think this is my green onion plant trying to grow. Maybe that's chives. I think that's the chive plant. And then there's my lettuce. My poor lettuce. It has been through some things, but we're gonna work it out. We're gonna figure this out. Let me get this. Well, get this right here out of here. Maybe this one too. All right. Maybe that's cilantro over there. I don't know. But this is my container garden. And I'm very happy. And somebody is too. Yeah.